Hello and welcome to this new video on how to use Remind Me on Reddit. So if you're new, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. And let's get started. So firstly, you need to open the web browser of the choice. In the top of the web browser, there is a source bar. Click on the source bar and type Reddit. And when you type Reddit, just click enter in the Reddit and the Reddit will be open. Go to the home page and this is the section where you can see posts and comments. So you just need to choose the post that you want to come back or that you want to remind me bot or use that bot, and you can just go to the comment section of that post. And when you are inside the comment section, so this video doesn't allow the comment to be post, so I'll just choose another post. So I'll just click on the comment section of that post and the comment section will be opened, and in the add comment I will just enter the syntax, and the syntax for remind me is to add a remind me, a exclamation mark, and the amount or time. That can be 1 day, 1 month, or even minutes to hours. And when you have written it, you can just click on the comment and it will be commented, and the remind me bot will remind you about the post in exactly 1 day. And you can do the remind me syntax use this bot even in the reply. You can just go to the reply of a certain comment and paste or use the same syntax, that is remind me and the duration of time, and just comment, and the remind me bot will remind you in the time that you have allocated. So this is how you can use remind me on Reddit. So if this video has helped you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.